Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at a piece of gear that's really shaking things up in broadcast. It's the Datavideo BC-15PN 4K POV camera.
And our mission today is to get our heads around a contradiction. This camera is tiny. I mean, really small, just 7.2 ounces.
Like 3 inches cubed, basically.
Exactly. Yet it's built for serious, high-end multi-camera work. So the question is, how did they cram a full studio camera into, a point-of-view form factor?
Okay, let's dive into that. The heart of it is the 12.3-inch 4K CMOS sensor. We're talking 12.3 effective megapixels. But the spec that really jumps out is the output, 4K at 60 frames per second. What's the practical benefit of that high frame rate?
It's all about motion clarity. If you're trying to capture something really fast-paced and sources call out esports specifically...
Right, where every frame counts.
Every single frame. You just cannot have motion blur when some pro gamer is making a split-second move. That 60p makes sure it's perfectly smooth.
Right, so let's talk optics. They made an interesting choice here with interchangeable CS mount fixed lenses.
Yeah, and the big idea there, the main advantage, is fixed focus.
So no need to pull focus.
None. You set it and you forget it. It just removes the biggest headache in a multicam setup. You get 2 lenses with it, a wide 2.8 millimeter.
Which is great for that fixed POV shot, or maybe a conference room.
Perfect for it. And you also get a 6 millimeter, which they say is ideal for studio chroma key work.
Ah, because the fixed focus keeps the key totally solid for virtual sets.
Precisely. You don't want any hunting. Now, if you've got 20 of these cameras rigged up somewhere, you're not climbing a ladder to change settings.
Definitely not. So how do you control them?
You've got options. There are manual buttons on the back, which is handy. There's also the PTZ View Assist app for your phone. But the real power is DVI-P over Ethernet. Which is
Datavideo's own control protocol.
Right. It lets you manage everything, color, exposure, you name it, right over the network.
And I see they even included a dual-color tally light. It's a small thing, but so important.
It's essential. It tells the talent exactly which camera is live, even if it's hidden away. But, even with all that, if you have to run a power cable to every camera, it's still a mess.
Which leads us straight to the single cable workflow.
Yes. Thanks to Power over Ethernet, or PoE.
One Cat6 cable. That's it. It handles power, control, and the video stream all at once.
It just completely changes the logistics of an installation. And beyond PoE, the whole network side is built on NDI-HX support.
Okay, so for someone running a traditional SDI setup, is switching to an NDI workflow really worth it?
Oh, absolutely. NDI-HX is what makes it plug and play in a modern setup. The camera is instantly discoverable by any NDI switcher on your network. It streamlines everything.
And it doesn't stop there. For actually getting the stream out to the world, they included the SRT protocol, Secure Reliable Transport.
Which is a huge upgrade over the old standard RTMP.
So why is that so important for someone, say, streaming from a location with shaky internet?
Because RTMP just falls apart on a bad connection. You get dropped frames, the whole stream can just collapse. SRT is built to handle that. It retransmits lost packets to keep your stream stable.
On top of all that, you get dual streaming with H.264 or H.265 compression.
Meaning you can send your stream to YouTube and Facebook and Twitch all at the same time. And if you use their DV Cloud service, you can hit up to 25 platforms.
Wow.
And one last thing for, the big institutional buyers. The sources point out that it's TAA compliant.
So it meets the Trade Agreements Act. Good for government or federal contracts.
Exactly. It checks that box, which is a big deal for a lot of organizations.
It's just incredible what's packed into this little box. So here's the thought to leave you with. If setting up a professional multi-camera 4K shoot becomes this simple, how does that change where you put your budget? Maybe less on infrastructure and labor, and a whole lot more on pure creative talent. It's democratizing the studio one tiny camera at a time.